Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you an easy way to get a navigable hyperlink to any model element. If I right-click a model element and select Power Pack, Navigation Tools, Get Hyperlink, there are 4 options. Now all of them do the same basic thing, which is create some kind of textual link, report it in the Rhapsody output window, and place it on the Windows clipboard so I can immediately paste it somewhere else. The first 3 options take advantage of a little known capability. When Rhapsody is installed, it registers itself with Windows as the handler for any URL that starts with Rhapsody:. Now that URL has a specific syntax that Rhapsody parses internally and uses to navigate to a model element. Let's start with plain, which generates that raw URL. I'll collapse the model browser so we can confirm the navigation, and then I'll paste that URL into this web browser's address bar. Windows parses that URL to Rhapsody, and the model element with that GUID is located. Let's open that menu again. This time I'm going to choose HTML. Now that generates the same navigable link, but it wraps it in HTML tags to turn it into a clickable link that you can paste into any HTML document. So if you were writing your own web pages for documentation, for example, you could insert this content, which is what I'm doing right now. This simple web page here now has a clickable link. Again, I'll collapse the browser to confirm that the navigation works, and then I'll click that link. The third option, clickable, generates that same HTML link, but it encodes it. It removes the spaces and replaces them with the encoded versions. So you could paste this directly into any application that supports this kind of link. For example, a chat client. And whoever is at the other end of that chat could click it directly with no need to copy and paste. One thing to note, however, none of those links will work if your model is on Rhapsody Model Manager. This is because the server ID part of that URL has to be either 0 for models not on RMM or a valid server ID for those that are. Sadly, there is no way to get that server ID from Rhapsody, and so no way to generate a valid link. Which is where option 4 comes in. Let's use a different model element this time, and we'll use the Power Pack link option. That option generates a HTML link that does not use that Windows registration. Instead, the link sends a request to the Power Pack web listener, which doesn't care if the model is on RMM or not. I'll paste that into our simple web page, and then I'll refresh the web browser. Again, I'll collapse the Rhapsody tree so we can confirm the navigation, and then I'll click that link on the web page. Now, not only is that much faster than the Windows registration link, the port to use is taken from a property in the model, and so this navigation will also work with multiple Rhapsody instances, where the Windows registration link does not. Well, that's it for this video. Over the course of this series, we'll explore the rest of the Rhapsody Power Pack features that will greatly improve your Rhapsody user experience. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as those videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.